Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Angel back with another video, and today we're doing another Halloween makeup tutorial. I really don't know what to call this one, so I guess it's gonna be like a vampire look today. But we're gonna do some like face cutting, finally using blood and stuff like that, stepping out of my comfort zone, doing something that I've never really done before. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video because this might be a long one. I'm gonna show y'all the pictures of how I want to do it. I'm trying to freak it out a little bit too. So like this, it's gonna be half of a face done like I did with the skull, and this side's gonna be bruised. I'm not gonna do that cut in the middle of her face. I'm gonna do a cut on the side. So basically, I'm gonna do a cut like that on the face. It's not gonna be like it was down the face. And I want on the side that's supposed to be pretty, I want to do that for the eyes, the blood. And I want to add a little bit of the little vampire look. And I want to do my lips like that. So we're going to add all those pictures together. And it's 4 of them, I think. I think we should do the ugly side first, because that's going to be the longest side. And I can add the bruises later. So I have my water and I have some paper and my foundation, even though I didn't do it on this side. I'm going to add the foundation over this a little bit. So I'm going to take my tissue, try to cut the tissue in a form that's different than the tissue, because you don't want it to look like a square in your face. You want it to look like a cut. So I'm not having it look anything in the shape of a form of a square. People won't be like, oh, she used tissue. And it's still a little long, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the top off. I don't want it to be too long and too fake looking. Put some glue on the tissue, just so it'll stick to my face. Or I might just put it on my face. I use primer just so, yeah, I know y'all won't be like, oh, why did you just put glue all over your face? Now I'm going into the foundation that I used, which is this 360 Maybelline Matte Fit Me. Oh my gosh. It's like, there you go. And it looks like skin has broken. So we're gonna be using this palette. So instead of using bright red lipstick, we use burgundy. Plus, when you use red, it really don't come out looking like it's real. I'm gonna use my buffer brush. I'm gonna take some of this burgundy lipstick. That burgundy, we're gonna put it now. I'm going into my Anastasia blush kit, and I'm gonna use this dark burgundy, and we're gonna put that under where we put the lipstick shade. Go into some purple. This color we're going into is black, because black is what's gonna make the look real. But we're gonna take a little bit of black, the black more into the face, into the cheek. I'm gonna try and see how it goes. So I'm taking the yarn. This is what I use for my sewings. Keep this down. I'm gonna use a little bit of this eyelash glue. Going into this going to the black. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. So before you guys leave, please like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below some more videos you guys want to see. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.